Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, Stop Code Memory Management Blue Screen Error Fix in Windows 11, 10, 8, and 7. First method is hold Shift key and click Restart. Click Troubleshoot, click Advanced Options, click Startup Settings. Press F5 key to enable safe mode with networking. Type Memory Diagnostic in Windows search bar, click Memory Diagnostic. Click Restart now and check for problems. No memory errors were detected. Second method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Display Adapters, right-click Display Adapter, click Update Driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Click Start, Settings, click Update and Security. Start Windows Update, if any pending update available, update and restart system. Third method is type command prompt in Windows search bar, right-click Run as administrator. Type sfc /scanno. Restart system. Fourth method is restore point in Windows search bar, click Create a restore point. Click System Restore. Select previous any restore point, click Next. Fifth method is click Start, Settings, click Update and Security, click Recovery. Click Get Started under Reset this PC. Select Keep My Files, click Local Reinstall. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.